The MacBook Air series are low thickness, silent, high performance laptops, and this video is a review of the M1 MacBook Air, which is worth buying a lot and it has incredible performance. Let's the video. In terms of design, this laptop weighs 1.3 kilograms and its thickness is only 16mm and its size is 13.3 inches. The thickness and weight of this device is great and it is completely light and portable. The body is made of aluminum and the Apple logo is on the back panel of the laptop. The body material is quite satisfactory and has a minimal and very attractive design, but it can be said that it is not durable at all and needs a lot of care. MacBook Air M1 hinges are very high quality and can even be opened with one hand. The keyboard buttons are very well designed and the quality of which is excellent. Also, the large touchpad makes you completely satisfied with working with this device. There is a flat display on the front panel of this device that has very few notches and about 88% of the front panel display, which is great as a laptop. The display of this laptop is IPS LCD with full HD resolution and supports HDR10 content. The colors on this display are close to reality but do not have the contrast and depth of black of OLED panels. The resolution is also average at this price range. The MacBook Air M1 can produce light up 500 nits and has a pixel density of 165 ppi, which is great indoors but does not show much sharp content outdoors. The refresh rate of this laptop screen is also normal and 60Hz, which is only not annoying, but I wish it was more. But the low thickness has made this device have few ports. In terms of wired connections, the M1 MacBook Air has 2 USB ports and 2 USB-C ports, and only has a 3.5mm audio jack, which is not acceptable at all. But in terms of wireless connectivity, it has Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi 6, and it is completely up to date. The MacBook Air M1 has a capacitive Touch ID on the keyboard, which as expected from Apple, has excellent speed and excellent security. This laptop webcam is 8 megapixels and can only record 30 frames HD video. It has good quality, but it is only suitable for video conferencing and video calling. The M1 MacBook Air has an M1 chipset with a 7-core GPU and an 8-core CPU. The CPU power is equal to 9th generation K-series Core i9 and its GPU is equal to 1070 Ti and it has 8 or 16 gigabits of LPDDR5 RAM. There is no lag or slowness in this device and it is very suitable for office work, video and photo editing, and it also plays games well, but it is not recommended for games, which I will explain. Also, this laptop does not have a cooling fan, so it is completely silent, but its performance is a bit weaker than the MacBook Pro, which has a fan. This device also has 256 or 512 gigabits of NVMe SSD memory, which is extremely fast. In terms of software, MacBook Air has Big Sur macOS and has software support for up to 7 years. This operating system has relatively good personalization features and is quite suitable for professional work, but it is not suitable for gaming, and there are few games for it. The battery of MacBook Air M1 is about 50 Wh and lithium ion, which is a small capacity for a laptop, but its optimal consumption has made it work for a full day. The adapter of this device is about 96 watts and fully charges the laptop in 90 minutes, which is great. MacBook Air has a stereo speaker on the keyboard that supports Dolby Atmos and has a really good location. The volume and sound quality are excellent, as expected from the speaker of Apple products. Overall, the M1 MacBook Air is a very light, powerful and efficient laptop and has a very high purchase value. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, like it. Goodbye, see you in next video.